As the 3-meter ingot moves into the shielded enclosure, the ultrasonic testing system begins its sweep.
The splitter completes its task, creating Process A and Process B materials, ensuring the consistency lock is
The manifest confirms the split. Process A materials are cleared for the laser bay.
The vacuum manipulator gently lowers the perforated alloy sheet onto the honeycomb core. The components align with sub-millimeter.
Output rate is steady.
And the thermal stress is minimal. We are good to proceed.
The certified silver gray acoustic liner panels pass through a final, non-contact cleaning station, utilizing
The robotic system precisely loads the acoustic liner panels into custom crates, ensuring the delicate surfaces remain undamaged during transit.
Align the starboard clamp.
It's secured.
Check the tolerances on the mount.
Check gauge 4B, making sure the connection is secure before we initiate the sequence.
Confirmed. All sensors are reading.
The S-duct gamer
Ensure the fire suppression tubes are seated correctly before we lock the panels in.
Verified. All numbers match the digital schematic for the Tu-154.
The robotic arm precisely feeds the thick armored wiring harness along the structural ribs. It is then clipped securely.
Are the internal baffles secure?
Yes, the borescope view confirms the welding is perfect.
Keep coming straight back, nice and easy. Watch your left side. All right, stop right there.
Take it up slow, steady on the lift.
A little left on the traverse, we're clear.
Roger. Approaching the pylon now.
We have optical alignment. Confirmed 0 gap. Aligning position 3.
Confirmed. Moving the heavy lifter.
Hold position, we have alignment on the starboard side.
Ease it down 5 millimeters.
Roger that, easing down.
Easy now, clear the upper rib.
Copy that, moving starboard just a hair, looking good.
Cut the straps now. We need to lift this panel next.
Okay, clear. Watch your hands on the edge.
Securing the acoustic liner panel into the 5-meter nacelle shell confirms the precision of both Process A and Process B manufacturing steps.
All parameters green on engine 1.
The nacelles are performing within tolerance. Test successful.
The smooth, curved surfaces of the nacelle shells perform their aerodynamic function flawlessly.
The new nacelle significantly reduced the acoustic footprint, allowing families to enjoy the spectacle in comfort.
Surface check complete on engine 2.
Running the thermal scan now. Readings look good, well within parameters.
Panel 7 secured. All green here.
Confirmed. Log updated. We are clear for departure.